How to fix Instagram messages. Hello guys, so first thing, go into the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Instagram and click on this update right here to update your Instagram into the latest version. After that, go back, open the settings, go to the apps manager, wait a few seconds, scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. Now what you want to do next is click on this data usage here, make sure to enable all these options, click on force stop, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.